Good morning students. This is 10th class math subject. As you know, we have already started chapter matrices. So in the previous video I explained to you what is matrices, what is the order of matrices and what are the elements. Today I will explain to you about transpose of a matrix. It means we will change the row of the matrix into column and column will change into rows, and it will represent by, suppose your matrix name is A, then transpose of A will be represented by A raised to power T or simply A dash. If these types of signs will come, that means it is a transpose of a matrix A. So suppose we have here example, this is a matrix 2 3 4 1 4 3. This is matrix A. Now A dash or A raised to power T means A transpose will be this row, first row will become the column. So here we will write 2 3 4 and second row will be the second column 1 4 3. I think this concept is clear to you. Here its order is, number of rows are 2 and columns are 3. So in transport of a matrix, now rows are 3 and columns are 2. So just order is changed. Number of rows become number of columns and number of columns will change into number of rows. Next is equality of a matrix. Equality means equal. When two matrix will be equal, suppose we have a matrix A that is 2 3 4 5 and another matrix it is also 2 3 4 5. If the number of elements are same in these two matrix, that means they are equal. We can write here A is equal to B, means number of rows are equal. Here 2 rows are there, number of columns are equal and all the elements are equal. Here elements are 2 3 4 5, here also 2 3 4 5. So these matrices are equal. Next is addition of matrices. Addition means we have to add the two matrices. A is equal to, suppose we have 5 4 2 1 and B is equal to 3 2 1 4. Then A plus B will be equal to, we will add the corresponding elements of the two matrices. Here first element is 5, here first element is 3. So 5 plus 3 and next is 4, then here is 2, 4 plus 2, then 2, here second row first element is 1. So 2 plus 1, then 1 and here is last element 4. So like this we can add the two matrices. So its answer will be 8, 4 plus 2 6, 2 plus 1 3 and 1 plus 4 is 5. Similarly we can subtract the matrices. Suppose we have we can consider this example also. So a minus b will be, here we directly we will subtract it, 5 minus 3, 4 minus 2, 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 4. So its answer will be 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So this is the answer. I think this concept is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.